Guys, enjoy life carts and service, Lanark, Illinois. So we're working on the showroom, got some carts in here now. That's our Mad Jax Ascent. We're a dealer for Mad Jax. It's on the TV right now, so they'll be here in May of 2026. They're in production right now, and we have brand new ones coming in. Can't wait for them to get here. So we got our display racks up. We got a new display rack, which we're gonna probably hang some shirts and apparel on that one over there. And then we have some accessories here, but we got our Eco battery Gen 3s, and then we also have lithium Rhino. We got the blue cart all done up and ready. Got some eyes on it. It's just, something to blink at. And then we got our club cars that are been refurbished. They're gas powered. That blue one there, it's got the Eco lithium battery in it. 51.2 volts, 600 amp controller, a 5 kilowatt motor, 6-inch lift. That's a brand new build. Rhino soundbar, subwoofer, air horn. And then I got a couple customers' carts here, which I put a Rhino lithium battery in this one. This one's ready to go. It's got the Rhino lithium battery in it. It's got the Navitas controller. So this guy's going to be picking his up, or I got delivered actually this weekend. Then we got a Yamaha here, which we just did a tune-up on. And then we have another Yamaha here, which we just repaired the rear suspension on it. So he's picking that one up on Tuesday. This one is on Thursday. This one is next weekend. And then we have another one in the shop next door. And then in the building right behind us, it's on a lift, getting some battery gauges not working properly. So I got a new gauge coming in. And that's about it right now. But enjoy life carts and service in Lanark, Illinois. 815-551-0123. Stop in, check out the carts. And like I said, in May we'll have the brand new Mad Jax Ascents and the X series carts in. So looking forward to getting all them in. Like I said, here's our display rack with the Mad Jax, and we have the Sound Extreme sound bars. We have the Eco battery. We got the Sound Extreme fat sticks. We got the SNS wheels, Mad Jax body kits, lithium Rhino batteries. We got some stuff here. This is a new display rack I just installed today that Mad Jax sent me. So I'm going to probably throw some more Mad Jax accessories on here, maybe some apparel, some shirts, hats. That's just a couple hats and stuff I got from the PGA conference in Orlando, Florida back in January. So I figured, well, might as well put them out where people can see them. But other than that, it's coming along pretty good, the new showroom. So can't wait to get the new carts in, and we already got a couple of them already pre-sold, which is nice. And they're not even here yet, so which is a really good thing. But on the TV there is a new Ascent. That's what we're getting in. Actually, that color there we have sold to a guy out of Lake Charles, which can't wait to deliver that one. So, but cool, stop in, enjoy life carts, sales and service, Lanark, Illinois, 815-551-0123.